Hello, it's Lisa Adams again, and I'm so excited to be working with you. And the topic I wanted to hit on today that would be really helpful for many of my clients, and I wanted to send this specifically to you to help, is that when there's a challenge as far as work history, if there is any kind of unusual things in your work history, maybe big gaps, maybe taking multiple contract jobs that have only lasted for a few weeks or a couple months, and many times I get clients that want to know, how do I address that, Lisa? What do I do to handle that? And so what I like you to do is a couple different things. I want you to actually write out a story to yourself. And you can make a table in a Word document or use Excel. And what I want you to say is, at what point was your work history kind of challenging? Where are you seeing some red roadblocks, or where is it that you get stuck as far as explaining your work history? Right? That's usually what happens. So we get into an interview. We want to talk about maybe something that happened in our work history, and it gets very difficult and we don't know how to say it. So this is going to create a foundation for you to know how to say it. All right. What I want you to do is, like I said, write a table, put a table or Word document or Excel, and in each of these columns, this is what I want you to write. Your first column is going to be the company that you worked for. All right. Second column is going to be the dates that you were there. Third column, I want you to write, what is it about that job that you liked? The next column is, what is it about that job you did not like? All right. And I just want you to go through each row, hitting on a different company or different role that you had. And what I want us to do is, after you are done with that, send that to me, email it to me. And what I want to do is review it, but really I'm going to look at that for a theme. Is there some red flags that maybe you were missing? Is there something askew there? And also that gives me a little bit of a viewpoint from what happened in your work history. And if you want to add an additional column of why you left, then that could be helpful for me as well. All right, excellent, good work, and we'll talk to you later.